Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool design here, and basically what this is a jacket or track jacket. And we see for the one that we got right here is a brand called Adidas. And for this one in particular, they call it the FireBird track jacket. And the way how they design is actually very similar to the one that I'm currently wearing right here. Let me actually fully open it to show you guys what I mean. So once you guys do fully open it, this is what the product looks like. But let me put it on to give you guys a better point of view of what the product looks like when you guys do wear it. But before we do, let's take a look right here. So like I mentioned, for the one I'm currently wearing is from the same brand and very similar design. They do have this logo right here on the side, the 3 stripes on the side, and do have the pocket right here. For the current pocket that I'm wearing for this track jacket, it's just like a regular pocket with no zipper. Supposedly for this jacket that I'm about to show you guys, that one does have a zipper, which is really convenient to keep all your stuff secure inside your bag, and that way it won't fall out. Bottom part right here, they do have a stretchable option, so that way you can get a very loose fit or comfortable fit. And top part right here, we do have the collar option to keep you guys really warm for your neck when you guys do fully zip it up, which is really convenient, especially if you guys do run a lot or if you guys are planning to use it for a track, since it is like a track jacket. And in terms of the sleeve right here is actually very nice and comfortable fit to give you guys a very relaxed fit and very comfortable fit as well. So this is what it looks like for the front, and here is the back. If you guys watch my video, you guys know that I wear this in every single one of my video, so you definitely know that I love it a lot. And I actually have this available in like a blue version, the black version, and a few other colors. So depending if you guys like this color or the other color, that is totally up to you guys. So after wearing this jacket for over 3 years, this is still one of my favorite jackets so far. Because when you guys wear it, it allows you guys to use it for all season, whether it's like the winter season, the summer season, or whatever. So this is what it actually looks like for the old one. Let me show you guys the new design to show you guys what it looks like once you guys do put it on. So this is what the interior of the jacket looks like when you guys do open up. But now let's put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So same thing for this one, they do have the zipper design. They do have the Adidas logo. They do have the same stripes on the side. On the side right here, they do have the pocket. Like I mentioned, it is a zipper pocket, so that way everything is much more secure. But in terms of material that's on here, it's actually very similar. It definitely gives you guys that very nice soft feeling that's really perfect for people who go for like jogging, running, or just casually like me. And the pocket inside is actually very big for you guys to put your hand inside to keep it warm if you guys want to, especially during like the colder season or like the colder days. But same thing for the bottom part right here, they do have a stretchable option to give you guys a fitted design on the bottom. And same thing for the sleeve, they do have a fitted design similar to the other one that I just showed you guys. But when you guys look at the top part right here, it's definitely much longer than the other one. So that way when you guys do zip it up, it will give you guys a lot more coverage for your neck to keep you guys warmer during like the colder days, which is pretty cool. But obviously, if you guys don't want to zip it all the way up, you do have the option to fold it. So this is what the product looks like in the front, and here is the back. So I can see once you guys do put on a jacket, it definitely looks pretty nice and actually feels pretty comfortable when you guys do put it on. And I believe for this jacket, you do have the option to throw a machine to wash it and dry as well, using the lowest temperature setting. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this jacket, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys are trying to upgrade from the previous version to the new version that give you guys a much more comfortable design, a better fit, and also like the zipper pocket as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.